Alright, if you were on Roblox in the past 6 months, you probably heard of Roblox Clean Optimizer from YouTube. You see, oh, that's my video, that's pretty cool. Go watch it so you have a better FPS unlocker. But if you go down here, you will see a bunch of videos about RCO, even from big channels like Shark Vlogs and stuff like that. So let's see if this is real or if this is fake. Let's go ahead and look at the code and stuff. If we go over here, let's look at the client app settings, which is basically FFlags. I wasn't able to find anything out of the ordinary here. If you want, you can read this. We will go back to this in a second, though. We need to look at the installer and uninstaller. So echo off. That's basically what CMD file started with. Basically, oh wait, we are on the installer. This essentially just says, hey, this is made by this guy. So let's say I open CMD. Ignore this part, but instead of that, it's gonna say this. Of course, this is not a recognized thing, but you get the point. It's essentially gonna spew out that and then add a space and just start this. And over here, it's gonna find your Roblox, and it's gonna, if Roblox exists, then create a folder, and if this folder exists, then go to that folder and then go to the next step. Another section. This is if you install Roblox normally, and if you did a little bit of trolling and run it as an admin instead of like a normal user, this is gonna be essentially the same thing. And over here, if we go over here, if a folder doesn't exist, go to client settings, then make the folder essentially. Then it's gonna say it's gonna download the file. Download this from this address. Now we are gonna look at this address. Oh my god, I'm stupid. We are gonna look at this address, and it's essentially just the FFlags. From what I gather, this is the same exact file from here. So good at least for now. If it doesn't have any errors, then go ahead and say, hey, the installation went successfully. And if it doesn't, then to go to the Discord server and ask for help, and it's gonna say it failed. And there's a note here: run script every time there's an update. If you need help, go to that channel, and to install RCO at any time, just uninstall, and then it just says press any key to continue. So this is a safe file, at least from what I can gather. Over here we go again, very technical, but I'll try to simplify this. Again, starting section for CMD files. Then goes look for the local app data and tries to find the Roblox, and then goes to 32-bit app data. And if there's Roblox, go to the next step. And if there's like a 64-bit version of Roblox, then go to the next step. And then it's gonna just, if this exists, then delete it. And that's basically what the thing is. Overall, this seems pretty safe, but if they update RCO and include something malicious here. Now let's say you want to create your own installation, and you don't wanna make sure you have any malware if for whatever reason they just add like a malware here. Go to client app settings, and you check most of these, but if there's anything wrong here, then just delete it and just copy. Go to your start menu and click Roblox, and then just click open file settings. Again, just open the file settings and just go over here and open the file settings here. Now we wanna create client settings as a folder, so like this with capitals and everything. And we create a file. It doesn't matter what you name it, we just need to make like a file. And just go over here, save as, and just important, save as type all files, and then just type in client settings.json, and you got yourself a .json file. Congratulations. I couldn't be more proud of you. Now you got yourself Roblox Clean Optimizer without actually running random CMD files, but the CMD file is safe as of right now. Keep using Roblox Clean Optimizer. Of course, I'll keep using Blockstrap because Blockstrap is amazing. If we go over here, Blockstrap, this is a much better Roblox Clean Optimizer. You can actually do stuff with it, and yeah, it's pretty safe. I already touched on that, but we don't have time for that today, so we are gonna just end the stream We are gonna end the video over here. So yeah, subscribe and bye.